Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, I am Varsha. So today my topic is impact of partition on Indian society and economy. Let me give you a introduction first. India got partition on 1947, which is divided based on religion, where it was divided Hindus and Muslims. Muslim majority got Pakistan and Hindu majority got India. This was done by British with their with a nice ideology, which means trickily they divided India based on religion. Let me give you an example. This when it comes to sepoys, the regiments will be divided, and in that regiments also there will be a discrimination on them. The regiments will be divided: Sikh regiment, Muslim regiment, Hindu regiment. Where in Hindu regiment there will be discrimination. Upper caste people will discriminate lower caste people, which is still continuous. It means they want to they need that discrimination should continue still, because which discriminate people between them, which led them to rule many years. Gandhi, during World War, Gandhi said something: communal problems never solved without British left India. If British left India, then only communal problems will be solved. If British there in India, they'll try to incult more and more, where communal problems will be have more effect. Mountbatten was the last Governor General. He called Radcliffe, and the Radcliffe was drawn boundaries for both the countries. Partition of Bengal. Partition of Bengal was the seeds for the partition of India and Pakistan. Let me give you some factors which are responsible for the partition. First one is Sepoys Revolt in 1857. Second, partition of Bengal. Formation of Muslim League in 1906. Religious ideology of Tilak. You know, everyone know that Tilak was extremist. When he go to Maharashtra, he told people he promoted Indians regarding nationality and everything, but he also decreased the level of Muslims, where he told that ఏం చెప్తాడనంటే శివాజీ ఔరంగజేబ్తో యుద్ధంలో శివాజీనే గెలిచాడు, ఎందుకనంటే ఇండియన్స్ యూనిటీ పవర్ అంతలా ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి. సో మనం కూడా అంతే యూనిటీగా ఉండి ఇండియాకి మనం కూడా లైక్ ఎట్లా అనంటే మనం కూడా స్ట్రాంగ్గా యునైటెడ్గా ఉంటే మనకు కూడా ఇండిపెండెన్స్ వస్తుంది అని చెప్తారనమాట. Influence of Hindu revolutionary terrorism also. Exist of Jinnah from INC. Jinnah will left INC because when 1937 general elections will be done, where Jinnah got less. Jinnah's ideology totally shift because he got less. His ideology was changed to get partition of Pakistan. In 1947, Muslim League passed resolution for separate nation. Let me tell you, economic dimension. After partition, most of the resources were given to India, because most of the developments done by British are there in India, like Bombay, Madras, Kolkata, Bengal. These are presented in India only, where Lahore, it is a just city, and for agriculture, India is the best place. Where in Pakistan, it will be done, but minimally. INC and partition. INC was formed in 1885 with extremists and moderate leaders. During INC periods only, where moderates was there due to some conflicts between them and extremists left. After many years, extremists and moderates both will be come together and they formed group meetings, and after that due to partition of Bengal, Britishers will say that they maintain religious neutrality, because if Hindus will be there in some part of area and Muslims will be there in another part of area, which will be convinced for administrative purpose, but it is totally wrong, because Khilafat was going on in Turkish. There was a war between Turkish and Britishers. For that they shown here, where they are telling people that they are maintaining religious neutrality, but it was wrong. There are 85% of major industries are developed in India. With this neutrality, after that Muslim League find out that they were totally disappointed. Then they meet INC, and INC Muslim League both are together. For these, INC accepted two things: communal veto and separate electorates, which was a blunder mistake done by INC. Muslim League and partition. Muslim League was started by Muslim leaders, and it was the main role, we can tell that main role was played by many leaders including Jinnah. They are totally towards partition, means they need separate country, because Hindus domination was going on country. We can say that it is one of the factor also, where Hindus dominate Muslims morely. There is a coordination between them, but little. Where Hindu population was more, their mindset and ideology became like Hindu will dominate us. Definitely they will dominate us. In future, if we dare together, definitely they will dominate us. We have no jobs, no political interest or everything. Nothing will be there. We people will be suppressed definitely. This also led to partition between India and Pakistan. After this, effects of partition. Effects of partition means unemployment was done, employment totally decreased, no agriculture, not at all. Communal violence became more, where women get raped literally. If Muslim people see Hindu people see Muslim girl, they'll just massacre them or rape them. Children, women got totally humiliation. Where I'll tell you a story. Sikh father will be there. Violence is going on between them. A university student says this about his father, where his father put all his sisters in a room and just killed them, because his respect will be gone. If his daughters, anyone will be get raped by other community men or anyone, their respect will be gone. For that, he killed all the girls of his in room, and it was witnessed by that student. He felt too bad. Even when he was interviewing, he was crying and telling that I watched the documentary of Partition India, where people was traveling from India to Pakistan, where there was a border of Punjab will be there, no, Khalistan, all that place, and people are passing, they have no food, anything. They carry their luggage and everything. With going in a distance, they left something, or going in a distance, they left something. With that, only just people was there empty and they don't have food. This all was seen by Mountbatten and his wife. They helped the people, but it was too bad. Really, 15 crore people were changed their location from one place to another place. To conclude this, Britishers were played many tricks to divide India. It was done by Indians, but they played very tricky and conquered India and ruled for many days. More than 200 years they ruled because our communal violence, and there is no balance between us, and the relationship between Hindus and Muslims was apart little bit good, but when it compared to Brahmins will hate Hindus, etc. And the main role was played by Gandhi. Gandhi also went to Jinnah and asked him to convince him, but Jinnah didn't accept it. Britishers need support for World War II. For this, they asked Indians and Muslims both. Jinnah accepted to support them. For that, they accepted they'll give partition Pakistan separately, where we got a lot of effect. Through this, people are suffered more, and it was benefited to little bit benefited to India regarding geographical and something, but the relation between people, humanity, everything were dissolved. Thank you.